Let us understand the step-by-step process of uploading opening balances in Strategic ERP. In opening balance form, under Finance module, select the ledger name. Name of the company will get auto-populated. Select the project name for the group name you making the entry for. The group name will get auto-fetched from Ledger Accounts group. Select Yes if you are doing Tally integration. In case you are uploading balances on a manual basis, select No in the Tally integration field. Select last FY closing date and current date. This will indicate the financial year from which date you are beginning your books in the ERP and the last closing date of the year prior to it. Enter the last FY closing amount for the selected party. You can enter the current amount if there is a differential amount between your last financial year date and current date. You can view the project-wise and company-wise opening balances. This allows you to check that these amounts match with other transactions in Strategic ERP. You can also rectify the mismatch in the debit and credit balances directly if any. You can check either bank account or sundry creditors based on your group name selection. Once selected, you can view all related details under the Opening Bills is on Current Date tab. You can enter relevant details in Opening Bills is on Current Date field for the selected group name to upload the bills given to the specific party. Click on the plus sign to add multiple vouchers. You can also edit or delete vouchers if needed. Enter the bill number, bill date and bill amount. The total bill amount cannot exceed the opening balance of the ledger. Click on History to view the ledger entry added in opening balance form. This entry will be reflected in trial balance and balance sheet respectively. This is how you upload the opening balance in the ledger.